Okay, now that we know how to upload information or a database to the Tableau desktop or online, we're going to build here a chart. Okay, in order to see the different type of charts, go to the upper right side and click on Show Me. Okay, if you click here on Show Me, you will be able to access to the different type of chart. For example, the bar chart, horizontal or vertical, the pie chart, maps, and depending on the type of data you are working with, some other type of charts, like, for example, bubbles or some others. Okay, so first of all, we will put here a name to the sheet name. Remember that in order to change the sheet name, just double click and then change the name. After that, select the variable you want to work with. In this particular case, we are going to select the type of write, okay? So we are going to click and drag and then uh, select the radial type into the rows. After that, where are my informations or my data? Here, okay? So in order to create a chart or a table, you will need two different parts. The dimensions here with an ABC. So you are telling Tableau how many categories you have for this table or chart. And besides that, you will need to put the information or the input about the data you have on the database we saw how to upload in the previous video. So we are going to select the data, drag, and left here on the columns. Okay, so as we on the marks selected the automatic type of chart, Tableau is going to select. Tableau identified here that the best chart for this data in particular is this, or the recommended one is the horizontal bars. But we're going to transform this bar chart into a pie chart. Okay, so if we want to know, for example, which percentage of classic bikes, duct bike, and electric bikes there are into all of my data, let's change first of all here the quick table calculation into percentage. Okay, so percentage of the total. Once again, let's go back, go to the columns information, and then quick table calculation percentage of total. Once we change this info, see how we can select the different type of charts, like for example this visual chart in which we have boxes for each category with different sizes depending on the percentage you have on the categories. Here, for example, electric bike has 57.36%. The classic bike box is smaller than the electric bike because we have here a percentage that it is lower than electric bike, 40%, 0.75%, and the last one is 1.99%. But the chart we want to work with is the pie chart, so click and select there. Okay, see how when we hover over the chart, we can see the different categories. The here in this case, the electric bike with 57.36%, the classic bike with 40% 0.75, and the last one is the docked bike with almost 2%. Okay, So remember that in order to create this pie chart, first of all, we need to change the values to percentage. Now that we know how to create a chart, let's put a different name to the first sheet, okay? The first sheet here to the bottom side, name will be writable type, okay? So let's suppose that we want to create a different chart, but by using, for example, another variable, another dimension that illustrate our information here. So I'm going to create a new sheet and put a different name. We're going to deploy here the member casual variable. After that, remember that in order to create the chart, we'll need to drag here to the rows, first of all, and then in order to create the values to the column, okay? After that, click on the arrow, drop down menu, and then go to percentage of total and select the pie chart. So with these steps, we created a pie chart member casual, okay, where we have members 71.83% and the casuals 28.17%. So try to practice with this type of charts. Remember that we previously upload this database into the Tableau server, and after that started working with the data.